Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome back to the southern wing of the Stinkbug Works. Yesterday I talked about these motor mounts, and one of my viewers, who I shall call Paul, asked me a question about him, wanting to know the weight. Now, I think this guy, Paul, is the same Paul I know of from, back a while, and I believe he's from England, and he races a lot of the mini hydro class. Now, the shrimp outrigger that's so popular, there's no mistake that it's 495 millimeters long. That's the limit for the mini hydro class in Europe. Now, back in the days when I was flying F5B, we started going from round cells to flat cells. And about that time, the rules started mandating energy limiters because it was no longer a competition of who had the best airplane or who was the best pilot. It became who had the best batteries. So they put power limiters in there, and you were limited to watt hours. And that's why when you buy batteries nowadays, it will say, probably back here, somewhere on it, how many watt hours are in the battery, because it evened out the competition. So in order to prevail with these power limiters, you've got to do everything you possibly can to keep it light. And so this Paul asked me, how much does it weigh? And see, here's the cool thing. You really don't need this side support, because in a rigger, you could conceivably bolt this up to the side, and just have screw heads sticking out the side, eliminating that piece. So this is for you, Paul. Here we go. Da, 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 da. Okay, we're on grams. First time I weighed it, it was on grains, and it came up 44, and I said, no, not 44 grams. 8.95 grams. Add the leg, 12.5 grams, and the screws, the screws, 14 grams for the whole arrangement. There you go. Any other questions? Just ask. Until next time, jet out.